So I'm backing it up, and then I'm going to build a turnout for him, so that he can go through without hitting me or without running into me.
You're going to control that turnout here when he comes.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to control it right. It rides in 17 inches. From here.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is, you see that turnout right there? No,
Yeah, I'm on phone right now. Can I call you later?
some I do, some I don't. Okay, that turnout is 205, that's the number. So when right now it's closed because that's the main line. The straight route is.
Wow, looking at all this is like so much work that you're gonna do.
So, yeah, let me give you a quick and dirty guide. I was born in Los Angeles. My dad himself, because the building is 25 by 30. Yeah, I got the fact that it's about this, I just get connected in my film. It's going to be this underwriter has to go through and have to sign the document. So over the summer, I'm going to get this thing because it's looking bad. Yeah. So he was he did sign. He was signed for people that couldn't talk. In the cash, his name was Clark Daly. So when he came, he lived in the restaurant. When he moved up here, he bought their house. And then when he died, one of the club members got part of it, and the rest was, I don't know, dismantled or sold. I don't know. And so his wife was here, and so she was here. She was getting older. She wasn't able to take care of this property. She had a son in Montana, Wisconsin, 0.64. So not a little bit more than a half acre. So anyway, he died, and she had a son that was in New Orleans, and a son that was in, I think it was in Wisconsin. So her son came from New Orleans to look after his mom, and he was in the art club when he came, and sadly he caught viral pneumonia after the son that was in New Orleans moved here, and he died. So she put the house on the market. She was in our club with her husband. 2012. I moved in on October 19th. I had a bigger house, nicer house, but I was.
The one in San Cayo?
Yeah, I kind of built much of it myself, not all of it, but I did much of it myself. So so 2011. So what? This is 2022.
Yeah.
So it's been it's going to be 11 years since I and
even under here.
yeah. There's a helix under here.
But it's a concrete floor, so then you get on that side.
Oh yeah. There's a 2-turn helix. And it takes me to that level. You see that?
Yeah, you're dreaming, though, right? So we got another one, See that one right
I want one of those. I know. Yeah, but all the insides are what makes it valuable. Connect that to the system, and then the wireless router gives you more capacity, more routers. But the Digitrax, their device that they manufacture and they produce, will only allow four per unit. But you can do up to 32, but you have to have 8 units.
So the main components, we're talking about the controller.
Seven does that. And the soundtrack decoder, 7 dims the light. So, for instance, this engine right here, is 4459.
Are those soundtracks over there too?
I don't think so. Those are Southern Pacific.
Yeah.
Some, most of them are. No, those are mine. That's Bob's engine. Let's see, GoPro, recall.
That's like running the ground. This, that one front one is on that. I think it's 2 axes. I think it's running on a tripod. You put on the bigger ones, like the one back.
You said you didn't like this song?
Tonight. They're visiting from Texas.
Sure, but I'm up in a couple of weeks. But I'm up, he's not here for 2 weeks. Maybe in a couple of weeks. 2 weeks, and I'm up here on the wind job.
You still working?
That engine has a lot of momentum on it. So when you turn it off,